All right, girls. What are we doing today? Sandwich. We're gonna make sandwich. Okay. So we're gonna make. What are we making? What are we making today? We're making what? We're making blueberry. Yes. We have toast. Yes, toast. And what? Peanut butter. So we're making peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. Mommy's not making the sandwiches with us. Alright, no, you cannot have that, Mommy. Alright, but we will make peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. Okay? You're gonna help Daddy spread it? Alright, spread it. Help me spread it.
Open.
I will open in just a second. Don't run off with the jelly. Okay, there's more on here. Enough peanut butter. Alright. To the other toast. Who do we have with us helping us? Do we have Mickey and Minnie? Where's Minnie? Where's Mickey? What'd you do with Mickey? You dropped Mickey? Nope, you didn't? Well, where is he then? We're gonna go bye-bye. But we have to make our sandwiches first. Here, what kind of jelly do we have? What kind is this? Is it blueberry? You gonna smell it? No. Hold on. Smell. How's it smell? Does it smell good? Does it smell good? Mommy's getting ready. Okay. Let's make our sandwiches together. Alright, we're gonna do jelly on. What are you getting upset about? Mommy's coming right back. Yay. What? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Hold on. Okay, you want to spread? Mommy's coming right back. Okay, help Daddy spread it. Spread. What are you doing? What about her? You want Mommy to come back? Okay. Oh, you dropped your spoon. Okay. Yeah, Mickey and your spoon are all falling down. Alright, do you want a little bit of peanut butter? You want peanut butter? No? Mommy? Here, look, peanut butter. Mommy's coming right back. Okay, we'll get it. I know you're getting it. Here. Alright, get your stuff. Yes, we're very upset that you left us.
Mommy just went to turn on the sprinkler. Remember?
Right.
We're going to turn on the sprinkler.
Is that good? Alright, come back up here, you. Quinn, come up here. Mommy's right there. Mommy's right there. You want some peanut butter? Hey, you want peanut butter? Did you toot? Tooter. No, you can't hide your tootiness. You are a tutor. You come from the long line of tutor family. Did you pick yourself? Oh, you want a bite? Okay. Here, steal. That's the best part of this. Here, steal. Here. We're gonna go bye-bye. Here.
You gotta bend over this one. Pull it out like that.
Do you want water too? Water too. I think that's what that one said.
Don't spill it.
Don't spill it. Alright, do we want to do a taste test? You want to do a taste test? Alright, you ready?
Oh, you're giving water to Mickey?
Alright, tell me how that tastes.
Here, Mickey's tasting.
Come on. That's not copyright. Here, hey, come taste. Okay, we can't go bye-bye if you don't eat something. Come here, try this. Try it. Ow. How's that?
Now you're gonna have to eat that in the car.
Yeah. So we're just giving a taste test. Is that good? You gonna get down? Are you done? Is that all cooking with you? You're done cooking? Alright, you going bye bye? No. We could, but
Alright,
okay,
come on.
go with
Mommy's
mommy.
gonna hold
You're
your
gonna go potty.
drink. You're gonna sit down. Yes, you're gonna go with me. You're just gonna sit down real quick.
Sissy's coming too.
Yes, this is coming too.
Sissy's coming too. Alright, go. No. No. Say yes. Yes.
Alright, come on.
Alright, go with mommy. You want another bite? Here. Take this one. Take that one for the road. Go. Follow mommy. You potty your seat, and while we're gone, you're going to be very upset. So, go with mommy. Say bye-bye.
Here, mommy will hold your drink for you. Honey, it's gonna be difficult for you to climb out. Okay?